We'll guide you through how to factory reset an Android phone. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you're planning on selling the device, you're giving it away, or you just want a complete fresh start. We're going to guide you through on how this can be done. So when you go and successfully complete this, your phone is going to be like when you first got it, and you can go and set it up again, or you can sell it, give it away, or whatever. We're going to guide you through the different options you've got. So make sure this full guide, as there are different ways you can go about this. So to go and get started, what we need to do is you can go and swipe up on your phone like so. Now what you need to do is go and find the settings app. So by default, it should be on the first page here, but you can always go and search for it at the top or just go and swipe across until you go and find it. Then what you want to do is go and open up settings like so. Now you want to go and scroll down, and what you're looking for is accounts and backup, and you want to tap there. What personally I like to do is go and do a backup before doing this, because then I can go and restore to it if I want to. If you want a fresh start, maybe this doesn't apply, but otherwise you can go down here to Google Drive, and what you can do is you can go and back up your data here. You can tap on it, then it should shortly go and give this pop up, and you can go and press turn on, and then you can go and start choosing photos and videos and other device data, confirm it, and let it go and back up. Alternatively, we did have some other backup options. You can transfer data for device setup or an external storage transfer. If you're struggling to go and find the backup settings, you can always press search in the top right and go and type in backup like this. And then what you can do is go and wait for it to load. It shouldn't go and take too long. And then you can go and get to the setting you're looking for. So if you've chosen to back it up, make sure it completes. If you're not worried, we can go and continue. Now what you want to do is go and keep scrolling down until you go and find the option for general management and tap in here. If you can't see that, don't worry. I'll show you an alternative in a moment. Now you want to go and scroll down, and we're going to find the option for reset. Then you want to go and scroll all the way down and find the option factory data reset. If you can't see that there, don't worry. What you want to do is come back and keep pressing back until you can see the search in the top right. And then what you can do is go and type in reset. As on some devices, it can be in a different place. Then once you go and find the reset option, you can go and find the factory data reset, or just go to the reset page. Then we can go and press reset. Then we can scroll down and find the option for factory data reset and tap there. If this still doesn't work for you, keep watching as we've got an alternative. So you can see here, all data will be erased from your phone, including all this list. So make sure you understand it. And you can see all the different accounts here are going to be signed out, and everything else is going to be uninstalled. So scroll down, and if you're sure, you can then go and press reset at the bottom. And it says all your personal information and downloaded apps will be erased and can't be recovered. Data has been backed up to the SD card, won't be erased. So note that. Then you can press delete all and go and start the process, and it will then go and be all factory reset. So that's the first way you can go about it, is by doing it in the phone settings or device settings. Alternatively, we can do it from the recovery menu. So I'm going to guide you through how you can go and access that. So to go and get started, press and hold the side button. Keep it held down until you go and see this screen here, and you want to go and find the option for power off and go and tap on it. Alternatively, you may be able to go and drag down again and press the power button in the top right, then press power off and power off again. Now just go and wait a couple seconds while it goes and completely shuts down, really important. Now with this device here, which is a Samsung variant of Android, this does need to be plugged into a computer. So I've got a cable here already plugged in. What I recommend you do is you can try doing this without it if it isn't a Samsung. If it doesn't work, you can then try plugging it in. So I'm going to go and plug it in like this. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and press the side button and the volume increase button together. Let's go and press them together like so. Now what you need to do is go and keep these held down until you go and see the boot logo. Then you go and release, as you can see. Now go and wait. As I said, if you don't have a Samsung, then you can try doing it without the cable. And as you can see, we're now on Android recovery. And what you can then do is with the volume keys, you can go down using the down, and then you want to go and find the option for factory reset. And to enter it, you can go and press the side button. It says, if your phone is reset, you'll need to enter the Google account information associated with this phone to be able to use it again. So do note that. You can then go and tap the button, and we can go and confirm the decision, factory data reset. So all of the data is going to be erased, as you can see. So then you can press the button and go and confirm that. It's that simple. So they're the different options you've got in order to go and factory reset your Android phone. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. We post videos like this every single day, so I'm sure you'll go and find it useful. And if you want to go and see more guides, go and check out the channel. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them down below. I look forward to seeing how we can go and help you out.